Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, should I be talking about Ayaneo AM01S retro mini PC with built-in touchscreen and Ryzen AI specification bump. So friend, the Ayaneo AM01S mini PC with touchscreen display and design inspired by 80s and 90s retro computing for 2025. The AM01S has received a number of choice upgrades that make it both for more powerful and more comfortable. The headline future update for the AM01S are the new AMD Strix Point. The AM01S are the new AMD Strix Point, AMD Ryzen AI9 HX370 CPU, and new display with feature a number of improvement over the Ayaneo AM02. The basic specification also include DDR5-5600 MHz RAM and M.2 2280 PCIe Generation 4 SSD and SDXC card slot. On the side of migrating files and expanding storage, the Ayaneo has announced pricing or expected availability for AM01S, but the mini PC looks to be official launching soon. The foreign touchscreen is the Ayaneo AM01S is a native horizontal display as opposed to be rotated virtual display from the AM02, which means it should present no compatibility issue similar to those that plug some Lenovo Legion Go and Valve Stream user when those devices first launch. The tiny display also support window extended mode, meaning you can operate the AM01 as using only the small touch screen, another improvement over the AM02 which could not use the built-in display as a primary screen. The display is attached to a retro-inspired case with a hinge that allow 90 degree of articulation, so the mini PC can be used flat on its side or vertically, in which case it looks something like CRT-equipped Macintosh computer. And Ayaneo even cheekily use a color version of cursive hello text offer feature on the original Macintosh advertisement material. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.